Innovation requires a keen mind and a unique way of assessing a problem. Innovation can be realized in a variety of forms. Things we take for granted today were yesterday's innovations. The Byrd Polar Research Center has been and continues to be on the cutting edge of innovative science. Who knows what future scientists will develop and invent? Ohio State University glaciologist Lonnie Thompson had this article written about his work drilling ice cores with his team. The article was published in Time magazine in the August 20th, 2001 issue. This mock-up of an ice core was made by Michelle Croft, a master's student from the School of Natural Resources. She used epoxy and white paint to simulate the layers that are sometimes visible in an ice core. Dave Lape, Viktor Zagornov, and Frank Huffman are shown here with the mechanical drill designed and fabricated at the Byrd Center for use in the field by the Ice Core Paleoclimatology Group. This photo shows 4 members of the first all-women Antarctic scientific team from the Ohio State University Institute of Polar Studies, 1969. From left, Eileen McSaveny, Terry Tickhill, Kay Lindsay, and Lois Jones. These women arrived at the geographic South Pole on November 12, 1969. From left, Pam Young, Jean Pearson, Terry Tickhill, Lois Jones, Eileen McSaveny, and Kay Lindsay. Image courtesy of the United States Navy. Byrd Polar Research Center scientists also work around the globe beyond the poles. Coricalis is the largest outlet glacier from the Calcaya ice cap in Peru. This image was taken by Brian Mark in 1998 when he was living in Peru as a Fulbright scholar. Dr. Mark is now a member of the Byrd Polar Research Center Glacier Environmental Change Group. He and his research team incorporate a number of methods and techniques, including a geospatial analysis with GPS, GIS, and remote sensing, glacial geology, lake coring, hydrochemistry, and modeling. This photo features Jason Box maintaining time-lapse cameras and meteorological equipment at Petermann Glacier in northwest Greenland in July of 2009. Shrouded in darkness during the austral winter and often obscured from view by persistent cloud cover, Antarctica has remained one of the most poorly mapped parts of our planet. That situation changed in 1997 when RadarSat-1 began to scan Antarctica from space. The goal of the project was to create the first high-resolution radar image of the continent. The resulting map was intended to serve as a benchmark for gauging future changes in the polar ice sheet, to understand more about the behavior of the glacier and its interaction with the polar atmosphere and coastal ocean, and to simply expand our ability to explore the vast, remote, and often beautiful southernmost continent.